Going ice skating, man. It was. I almost flashed that guy. Look, here I go. Swagged out. Wait, this is easy. I'm already out of breath. But there's a bridge. And there's a secret underneath. But the ice is melting. Oh, it's cracking. Oh. Uh-oh. Under the bridge. Bro. I don't think I should step there. Oh, okay. No, it's cracking. Please help me. I am under the water. I'm drowning. Moan louder. Bro. Oh, I'm gonna follow his strokes. Longer, slower strokes. It's like sex. You go deep and slow. That feels better. He fell! He fell! Let's laugh at him. Wait, I'm gonna fall as well so he doesn't feel so alone. Wait, am I here already? No, no, no. Not to get depressing or anything, but here's some food for thought. You think they're gonna see your grandparents like once a year. Well, if they live 5 years, they're only gonna see them 5 times. So you should, spend as much time as you can. I realized that a few years ago. What? Oh, look at that! Oh, another one. That one. Broke your heart. Sigma. He has sticks. Not worth wasting my breath for that. Skate backwards so you have the wind on your back. Wait. No. Okay. My ankle hurts. I don't know if it's supposed to, but I think I bent it. Roll. Hire a prostitute build a Lego set for you. What? Oh, my balls are going up to my stomach, man. Why? Go down! Bro! What the f is he doing? Jesus Christ. Bro started drifting. IKEA shopping center. Bro, what is this parking line? Where do... What the f are these people doing? Why is this not working? I have to walk. I love milk. Feed you. God damn it. No one's looking. Fast, eat it. No. How was it? Now milk. Okay. How was that? Is it good? Okay, here we go, guys. Oh, here we go. Spector leading. Anson Candy next. Go, go, go. No, what? Super speeder. What is insane? Good job, Poro Happy. Good win. Abnormal you is speeding through on the cheating lane. He's alone, no one is close to him. There's no way he can choke this. Look at him go. Okay.
I got a band getting kicked.
Stop screaming. Jesus Christ, asshole. What do you breastfeed me? Fine. Don't look, okay. Bricked up. Not bricked up. That dick is so small. I guess it's right there. She just heard me say that. I'm gonna get the out of here like ASAP. I'm following your car. Okay. You probably might. There's some little car behind you with only one headlight. That might be you, actually. God damn! Run after them. Should I just follow them home? What do you guys think? Do you see that? Is that okay? Can I go swim? Okay, it's done now. Bye bye.
Choo-choo-choo, szczęściem choo-choo lady. Choo-choo-choo, still I am